Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is going to be our 7th exercise of the series. And here is a question, that is, write a Python program that asks the user for a word and then checks if the word is a palindrome. Palindrome means a word that is spelled the same forward and backwards. So let's solve this exercise. Go to the Explorer, new file, check palindrome word.py. Okay, let me close this. Here is the question. So let's say word equal to, we have to ask the user for an input. Enter a word, reversed word equal to. So we are creating this empty string of reversed words. Let's first write a program, and after that we'll write a comment for each line to understand the working of the program. For char in words, the characters in words, reverse word equal to char plus reverse word. If word equal to reverse word, print the word is palindrome, else print the word is not palindrome. Let me explain what we are doing here. First, at this line will prompt the user to enter a word and stores the user input as a string in the variable called word. Okay, and here we are creating an empty string called reverse word. This line start a loop that will iterate over each character in word. On each iteration, the loop variable char, that is for character, will be set to the current character. This line that is reverse word equal to character plus reverse word, this line adds the current character, that is char, to the start of the reverse word string. This has the effect of reversing the order of the character in word. And at this line we are checking if the original word, that is our variable name as well, is the same as the reverse version of the word, that is our reverse word. If the two strings are equal, it means the word is palindrome, and here we are printing the statement, that is the word is palindrome, else the word is not palindrome. So let's save the program and run the code. Okay, so let's write Afshan Okay, so this is going to be our program. Let's run the code. Wow, the word is palindrome. Great. Let's run the program again. Afshan, the word is not palindrome. Okay, let's run the program again. The word is palindrome, that is ma'am. Let's say noon, the word is palindrome. Okay, so our program is working fine. Great. So this is going to be your assignment question, that is, write a program that reads a list of words from the user and print the number of words that start with a vowel. So I hope you will give it a try and see, because we have already done these kinds of program. So I hope you know how to solve this. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues, and make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.